What is going on? This is Super Simple Fixes. Today we're going to be looking at a little white noise generator that I've had for a couple years now. And I actually haven't used it very much because the first couple times I used it, I just didn't think it worked. It just seemed to annoy me. It's been sitting around for a couple of years and I decided to give it a try again recently. And it is working really well this time for me, just knocking me right out. Anyway, so this is what it looks like. The top, you can see that it shows DC 5 volt, and it has headphones right here that you can plug in if you need to. And you can also see the charging port. Not a big fan of this plastic flappy thing here. You could tell that it's going to break off, but you've got the indicator lights here, which are extremely bright, especially when the room is dark. So you could just kind of turn it away from you or have something else kind of cover that part up. This is the power button. This is the time button. I'll show you how that all works. Volume down, volume up, and then scrolling through the different types of sounds that you have available to you. It has a lot, but I don't think it has as much as the actual description on Amazon says that it has. I'll put the description down below. It's an affiliate link. If you decide to click it and buy something there, I might get a little something back from Amazon, but you don't have to. Like I said, the description shows so many different sounds, and I'm not sure how many there are. We will find out how much there are now. I'll let you listen to them and scroll through. So this is how we power on. Right now it's on 90 minutes. So if you wanted to go to 8 hours, that's 8 hours. I just hit the little time thing and then it just turns off as far as the timing. Okay, so it won't automatically turn off with this. But if you have it on, like, say 30 minutes, after 30 minutes, it'll shut off by itself. So that's really nice. This is 60 minutes, this is 90 minutes, and so on, right? 8 hours. And then this is untimed and it'll just stay on, right? So this is your volume up, volume down. Let's see how far up it goes. This is one of my favorite ones, the rolling waves. I'll turn that down. Okay, so now I'm actually going to go ahead and scroll through the different sounds that we have so you guys can hear it, and I will type it up on the screen as we go through them. And I think that's about it. We started with the rolling waves and we ended up back there and we had a little overlap somewhere, but this thing really holds a really good charge. But like I said, I think it works great. But that's pretty much it. I love it. If you want to give it a try, you can click the link below and hit that like, subscribe, and bell button.